color of sputum and its causes, right? First is pink frothy sputum. It cause pulmonary it caused due to pulmonary edema. Pulmonary edema. Next is blood stain. Blood stain due to tuberculosis TB. And third is green or yellow. Okay, it occurred due to bacterial infection. Due to bacterial infection. And next fourth is rusty sputum. Rusty sputum due to pneumococcal pneumonia. Focal pneumonia. And fifth is black sputum. It occurred in coal worker. It's also known as coal worker pneumoconiosis. And next is red currant jelly. Red currant jelly. It occurs in Klebsiella pneumonia. Klebsiella pneumonia. Anchovy sauce. Anchovy sauce. It occurs in rupture of amoebic liver abscess.